You know, been watching a lot of the popular YouTube channels lately. I notice how many of them have drone footage. And I don't have a drone, but let's try simulating. Wow. Wasn't that cool? You're welcome. But this is a griddling channel, not a drone channel. So, this is some chicken that's been thawing. It's from one of the local butcher shops that we got as a Christmas present. A whole box. And everything's been awesome so far. Let's see what I can do with the chicken. Okay. Got some smoke going. That means it's ready, I guess. That's just the Earl cooking on. Ooh, this is a spatchcock chicken. Yay. Let's see what I can do here. Oops. Don't want this nasty stuff going everywhere. Let's open up. It's already spatchcocked for me. Look at that. Ain't never cooked it's not spatchcocked, it's just split. I split once. Somewhere. So, get a little bit of Earl in the situation. This is some original seasoning from the butcher shop. It's a really good butcher shop. Salt, garlic, spices, blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit. Coarse ground salt is what you want in your meat. We also have some lemon pepper seasoning. Yum. And we can just dump this on. And what else we got? Italian. We can dump that on too. The lemon pepper and the Italian seasoning go well together. Get it your underarms here. Actually, we need to get under. This is salt seasoning too, I think. Just a little. Da-da-da-da-da. Forget I have to talk a little louder because of the sizzles in between me and you now. So, sorry if you can't hear me that well. I'll try speaking up. I'll use sign language even though I don't understand, don't know a single phrase or sign language, ASL. I need to learn. Yeah. I don't know what I just said. Hopefully it means something pleasant to you. Here we go. When I'm cooking my meats, I often put on the party hat. That soaks in the juices, makes it moist, and it cooks it faster. So, let's do that for a while, and we'll be back shortly. Okay, y'all, it's been a minute or two. Let's see what's going on. It's still there. It hasn't walked off. Yay. I love these things. Yeah, I let it cook on that side a little bit more. Then I'll flip it over. And it's coming along. I have my handy dandy barbecue ready. Or barbecue thermometer ready. And it even sticks. Look at that. Handy dandy. Don't want to get too hot to handle though. Let's see. It even comes with a chart. For those of me who's too dumb to remember. Chicken turkey 165 to 175. I knew that. I was seeing if you remembered. But no more poisoning, food poisoning. This time. It's looking good. Let's give it some more time. Okay, boys and girls, let's see what we got. Top side's getting a nice browning. The dome lid seriously makes a huge difference with that. Worried about the bottom getting burnt, but it's perfect so far. I'll screw that up probably. But so far we're good. Remember, my motto is, we screw up so you don't have to. More of the, instead of my salt, pepper, garlic, etc. seasoning, their seasoning works pretty good. Let's see. Salt, garlic, spices, food starch, sugar, parsley, and that's about it. Looks pretty good. Lemon pepper gives it a nice little tang. And you can't go too heavy with Italian seasoning. Your griddle may not appreciate all the herbs and spices all over your nice oily finish. It'll get over it. We're gonna let that go. And we'll give it some more time. Now for this commercial message from our sponsors. Okay, y'all still here? Still with me? Good, good, good. Glad to hear it, glad to hear it. Look, it is so juicy. Yum. We have a new player on the field. Trader Joe's South African Smoke. Paprika, flakes, sea salt, garlic, and basil. Smells so good. Not really. It's a little bit of smokiness. Trader Joe's has some hatch chili flakes that I'm really tempted to add, but not everyone is enthused about. It's getting a nice sear in there. Anyway, not everyone's thrilled about a little bit of heat like I am. I love that little bit. It's not like red pepper flakes. It's much milder. But man, is it good. Ooh. I know it can't be done already. Yeah, only about 100 there. And we want 165. We got a ways to go. There in the meaty portions. So we could even do this maybe? What do you think? Huh? Maybe? Ooh, listen to that sizzle. Sizzle. Some like it hot, hot, hot. It's not completely, it's resting on the meat right now, which that's okay, I think. Maybe hard to clean up, but still capturing all that moisture. And my mouth is watering. It smells so good. Let's give it some more time. You know something? This is probably the most convincing CGI background I've ever seen for a video. Seems real, doesn't it? Almost touch. It's amazing what they can do with special effects these days. It looks like I'm standing in the mountains, the sun setting behind me. I'm really in a undisclosed New Jersey patio covered in snow. I'm lying. I am blessed. For all of y'all getting hit with blizzards and storms, I'm glad it's not me. I used to live in Pennsylvania. I've been through all that. I lived in Utah, worked on an oil rig, and I do not miss shoveling snow. Don't miss shoveling snow one bit. Y'all can have it. Ain't for me. But you can live vicariously through my videos, watching this beautiful sunset, and pretend you're eating some chicken, and I'll try not to rub it in too much more, maybe. Okay, we're almost done. Need a few more degrees, but see how easy. There are trolls out there who will tell you you're doing it wrong. You can't cook chicken on the Blackstone. You got to do it on your Traeger, your big green egg in the oven. You can only use charcoal. You can always blah, blah, blah. I have some sign language for you trolls. Ah! I'm outdoors. It's beautiful. We have nice weather for this time of year. I'm enjoying myself. It's going to taste delicious. Cook it however the heck you want. And ignore the trolls, ignore the experts. Do it your way. Now hold on, don't go away. Except for the trolls, you can go away. If it weren't for trolls, I'd have no fans at all. Just looky there, looky there. You don't need a charcoal grill for that when you got a Blackstone. By gosh. I'm hungry. So, I'm going to finish this up. My lovely assistant is indoors making us some veggies and taters. And by gosh, we're going to call it a night. So, enjoy this CGI scene while we finish up. And thanks for watching. Thanks for following, sharing, subscribing, thumbs upping, hearting, and all that other wonderful stuff that you do. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. We appreciate y'all. See you next time. Bye!